This is the original IC that is paired to this phone. So remove it from this flex you see in here, this calibrator nylon. The screen was refurbished. So we're about to run the process now. Just stay tuned while we carry it through. Remove this ink you're seeing. If your phone or your screen has an ink, mostly in-cell screen, you can contact TC Tech for removing of screen, ink, and also display message. And we do other things like board swap, charging IC for iPhone, so many things. So just contact TC Tech for more details. That's indeed dirty job.